Hey, how's everyone doing? Thank you for tuning in to Teacher K French. Please hit that little bell and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Please like, share, and please like and share. We're going to do some quick review on some basic geometry concepts. So this arrow is pointing to the corner of a polygon and the line segment. This corner is called a vertex. So this rectangle has 4 vertexes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, a polygon is any closed shape made of line segments. So if we were to count the line segments here, we would also have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But again, the corner where it meets together is called a vertex. All right. This rectangle has been cut in half, but it's been cut at a diagonal. You could cut a diagonal this way or a diagonal this way. All right. So that's a diagonal line. Here's what shape is. Now we're going to do a few shapes. So this is a rectangle. This is a square. This is one of those sideways. The square's been kind of pushed over to the side. It's called a rhombus. Now we need to count the sides of this object. It has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 line segments. It is a heptagon. All right. This one has 6 sides. It is a hexagon. This is the 5-sided building that is in Washington, D.C., and that is the Pentagon. Pentagon. All right. Here is a trapezoid, and here is that red sign that has the word stop on it. It has 8 line segments. It is the octagon. So today we're going to do algebraic equations. Yes, algebra, but simply algebraic equations. So before we get all nervous and all scared of what we're doing, let's just break it down. All right, the word equation has the word equal. All right, it is a mathematical sentence that uses the equal symbol. We want this side to equal this side. All right. What does an equation contain? It will contain an unknown number, and that number is represented by a letter of the alphabet. Yes, we're bringing ABCs into math. All right. So what is the letter? We call the letter a variable because it varies in the amount that it's equal to. So we have an algebraic equation. We have the word equation, a mathematical sentence that uses the equal symbol. It contains an unknown number represented by a letter of the alphabet, and that letter is called a variable. So let's do some practice. Let's look at what an algebraic equation looks like. First off, we can have n plus 7 equals 6 times 3. All right, let's go over some very basics. If we have an addition statement, we're going to use subtraction. If we have a subtraction statement, we're going to use addition. When we have a multiplication statement, we're going to use division. And when we have a division statement, we're going to use multiplication. All right, so let's begin. I do not know the value of the letter N. It could be A, it could be B, it could be Z, it could be Y. They chose to use the letter N. All right, that's our variable. We do not know what this side of the mathematical sentence equals. So we're going to rewrite N plus 7. We're going to use our equal sign. We can solve 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3? It's 18. All right, now I need to get my variable by itself. So because, again, this is addition, we're going to subtract 7 over here. That's going to leave me with just my variable. But because I subtracted 7 from this side, I have to subtract 7 from that side. And 18 minus 7 gives me 11. Now, if I take this value, 11 is the value of my variable. So this n represents this n right here. So let's put this value right here. All right? So our value for n was 11 plus 7 equals 6 times 3. What does 11 plus 7 equal? Equals 18. What does 6 times 3 equal? 18. And 18 equals 18. My algebraic expression works out. It is equal. 11 plus 7, or n plus 7, will equal 6 times 3. All right, so let's look at a few more. All right, let's do n plus 3 equals 27 plus 9. All right, I do not know my value. I do not know what n equals. I cannot solve this side of the equation just yet, anyways. So n plus 3 equals, what does 27 plus 9 equal? 27 plus 9. 9 plus 7 gives you 16. Carry a 1, gives you 36. All right, now this is an addition statement, so I need to subtract 3. That gives me my n. Subtract 3. 36 minus 3 gives you 33. All right, again, to check it, we will take the value of n, we said was 33. We will put it right there. All right, this is just exactly the same. What's 33 plus 3? 36. And we said 27 plus 9 was 36. So my value for n, 33, makes my algebraic equation correct. All right, let's do some more. Are you getting a little bit more easy about it? Let's do b minus 5 equals 4 times 5. Again, it doesn't matter what letter you use, so this one I used b. We don't know the value of b, so we're going to go b minus 5 equals, we know 4 times 5, if you can see that, 4 times 5 is 20. Now, this is a subtraction equation, so I need to add 5. That gives me my b alone. I need to add 5 over here. What's 20 plus 5? 25. Take this value, put it right there. So 25 minus 5 equals 4 times 5. What's 25 minus 5? 20. What's 4 times 5? 20. So my value for b is 25. It makes my algebraic equation equal. All right, let's switch gears a little bit. 7n equals 31 plus 4. 7n means 7 times n. All right, it's together. It means 7 times n. All right, so I don't know the value of n, so 7n equals, I know 31 plus 4 gives me 35. Now, this is a multiplication, so now I have to divide. So divide by 7, divide by 7. That gives me n by itself. 35 divided by 7 gives you 5. Take the value of n. So now you have 7 times 5 equals 31 plus 4. What is 7 times 5? Very good. 35 would equal 35. So my value, my variable, is 5. All right, so that's a multiplication. Now let's do n divide by 7 equals 13 minus 9. All right, let's see. We don't know this, so we're going to do n divided by 7. We can solve 13 minus 9. What is 13 minus 9? Should be, is it 4? It should be 4. All right. All right, so now this is a division, so we're going to multiply by 7. That gives me an n left over. N, what's 4 times 7? 28. If I put this value right here, I have 28 divided by 7 equals 13 minus 9. What's 28 divided by 7? So 4 will equal 4. All right, let's do a few more just for practice. Remember the rules. So right here we have n plus 6 equals 14. All right, this side's already solved. All right, we don't have the value of n, but we already know what the other side of the equation equals. This is an addition, so what do we do if it's an addition? We subtract. Very good. So gives me an n, subtract 6. What is 14 minus 6? 8. Very good. All right, so n equals 8. So take this value, plug it right here. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. Does 8 plus 6 equal 14? 14 equals 14. Great job. All right, I have a few more up here that I've written. So n minus 4 equals 3 plus 4. All right, I don't have the value of n, so I don't know this side of the equation. N minus 4. I just simply rewrite this side of the equation right here. I can add 3 plus 4, though. What's 3 plus 4? 7. All right, so now I have n minus 4 equals 7. So this is minus or subtract, and so we're going to use addition to get our variable n by itself. What's 7 plus 4? So n equals 11. Take this value, put it right here. 11 minus 4 equals 3 plus 4. What's 11 minus 4? 7 equals 3 plus 4, 7. So my variable n has a value of 11. All right, let's do 2 more. We have 3, we use b, equals 20 plus 4. All right, this side is 3b. I don't know the value of b. So 3b, I can solve 20 plus 4. What's 20 plus 4? 24. Now, this is a multiplication. This means 3 times my variable. 3 times b equals 24. So if it's a multiplication, we need to use division. So 3 divided by 3 gives me just my variable by itself. 24 divided by 3 gives me 8. I take this value, plug it right here. 3 times 8 will equal 20 plus 4. What's 3 times 8? Very good. 24 will equal 24. All right, one more. And you guessed it. It's going to be a division. All right, n divided by 5 equals 6 minus 1. Do not know my variable. I can solve this side, so I need to rewrite n divided by 5 equals, what's 6 minus 1? 5. Again, this is a division. 6 divided by 5. So we're going to multiply by 5. And n is now by itself, my variable. And 5 times 5 is 25. Again, this goes right here. So 25 divided by 5 equals 6 minus 1. What's 25 divided by 5? 5 equals 5. Excellent job today. Again, don't be worried about the word algebra. It's just part of math. It's a function of math. The word equation simply means this is equal to this. It uses an equal sign. Equation, again, has the word equal. All right, in an algebra, we use letters, and those letters are called variables. All right, and again, if it's an addition algebraic expression, we're going to do subtraction. If it's a subtraction, we'll use addition. Multiplication, we'll use division. Division, we use multiplication to solve. Again, have a great day. Please like and share with your friends. Have a great day.